Good morning. Welcome to NTV TZ Nyumbani. My name is Peter and it's a beautiful day once again. Leo tunafanya a bit of cardio, we're pushing on cardio. Body weight peke yake, no equipment, no nothing. We're doing a different, the workouts tunaziarrange tofauti kidogo tu. Okay, so the single workouts usually do as one. We try and combine at least 2 workouts in every single set. Okay, I hope you enjoy it. Let's get warmed up kidogo, then we start the workout. 50 jumping jacks, then we get our day up. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Let's get started. We're doing everything in 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay, so we're doing 4 squats, then we do 4 leg curls. So we're doing 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 leg curls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then back to the squats. Now, we are doing a timed workout. We're doing 90 seconds, okay? We're minimizing our breaks kidogo sana, between 5 to 10 seconds. That's just to allow me to change, or rather to start up the clock again. Are you good? Let's push it hard and I hope you enjoy. So now, first workout, I've just demonstrated squats and knee curls, okay? 90 seconds. Our timer starts now. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 curls. 1, 2. Give me some speed. Go on your pace. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Let's go. 3, 4. Curl it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Squat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Curl it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Squat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Curl it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Squat. 1, 2. Mpaka nikwambie stop till my timer goes off, okay? Tuendelee. 1, 2, 3, 4. Squat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Curl it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Curl it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And our timer is up. That's the first set. First round, okay? Are you feeling? You good? Perfect. Second workout. Tunaingia high knees and star jumps. Star jumps are also like jumping jacks. Different names, okay? So we're doing high knees, 4 counts, then 4 jumping jacks. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Easy, okay? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push yourself. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tuendelee. Push yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tuendelee. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Time is up. Good job. Breathe. Toka hapo for 90 seconds. We're doing a plank walk, side plank walk, okay? I'm using my mat here. So I'm going to be walking from one end. We're there. I'm walking from one end to the other. Alright. Are you good? So depending on the size or how much space you have in your house, even if it's only 2 steps to the right, 2 steps to the left, it's all good. But just do that walk, okay? Good job. We're starting our timer again. Let's go. Timer is on. Twende kazi. 90 seconds peke yake. Hapo. Then walk back. Good job. There. You can hold it. If you can do 90 seconds all together, it's fine. You can do how long you can. Then you take a breather. If I'm still here, then you catch up with us. Alright? Good job, let's go. Till I tell you to stop, don't stop. Good job. I'm sure your shoulders are feeling it. Your core is getting that burning sensation. Good stuff. Remember, don't put your bum up. Keep it low. Good. And just walk. Good stuff. Tuendelee. And there goes our timer. Good job. How are you feeling? If you can do the whole walk, some of you might even feel a bit of stress on the wrists. But remember, you have to strengthen the body. And we're doing body weight, okay? No equipment, no nothing. Good job. From there, tunaingia lunges with a bunny hop. So we're doing 4 lunges. Let me demonstrate. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 4 bunny hops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? You ready? Let's get started. Our timer is on. 1, take your time. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the lunges, if you can do it faster there. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. If you can't do it that fast, twende pole pole, okay? 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, you jump in on your toes, On your toes. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Rest up. How are you feeling? You're pushing it, Good job. So far so good. So far so good. From there tunaingia burpees. Then we come up. You give me 4 uppercuts. Woo. Are you okay? Are you good? Burpees, let me demonstrate. So we go on a burpee, come up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then a burpee, come up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, good job, I'm ready. Let's go for 90 seconds. Timer starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me some power on that uppercut. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, turn the cousin. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And last one. Our timer is already up. 4. Good job. You're doing awesome. Okay. From there, relax, relax. Toka hapo tunaingia push up. 4 push ups, 4 mountain climbers, and 4 shoulder taps. Okay. Let me demonstrate for beginners and those who can do a push up. Your knees on the floor. You give me 4 push ups. 2, 3, 4. You give me 4 mountain climbers. 3, 4. Then 4 shoulder taps. Okay. If you can do it on when your body is off the floor, you can place your knees down. Then you can give me the taps. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's start our timer. 4 push-ups, 4 mountain climbers, and 4 shoulder taps. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You good? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, if you can't do the push up, put your knees down on the floor. Okay. 4 mountain climbers, tuendelee. When you're mbele yangu ni sawa. Tuingia taps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push ups again. 4 push ups. 4 mountain climbers. 4 shoulder taps. Good job. Tumalizie, tuendelee. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Taps. Good job. Perfect. Woo. How are you feeling? Yeah. Body weight. Start out body weight. Very effective, and you're doing awesome. From there, our last workout, we're going to do a plank workout. After the plank workout, You're coming back up. You give me 4 good jumps. Alright, let me demonstrate. I'm here. I'm gonna do a plank walk till there. I come back up. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I walk back again. Are we good? Let's start our timer. 90 seconds. Leo ni kupush. Leo ni ile depth na hard. Twende kazi. Come back up. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me a plank walk. Walk out. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me a plank walk out. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take your time. Go on your pace. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Time is up. How are you feeling? Good job. Wipe the sweat off. Like I said, you may minimize breaks now. But if you feel you need a minute to catch your breath, take that time off, catch your breath, then catch up with us. We're starting the second set again. Remember, I want you to get this workout. After this, get the workout, NTV page, download the workout, and do it again. Minimum of 4 sets. So tunaanza na squats and knee curls. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count it. That's 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count it. Good job. Count it. 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. From there, tunaingia high knees na jumps, okay? Start jumps. Let's go. Our time is on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go on your pace, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push yourself. You can do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. Bado timer. Twende. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tuendelee. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Perfecto. Perfect. From there, tunaingia sidewalk planks, Okay? You ready? My timer is on. Remember, I want you to push yourself. Leo kuna comfort zone. Push your body. If you need to take a pause, take a pause. If you don't, kindly push yourself. If you feel umechoka, just put your knees down hapo. Go on the baby pose, relax for a few seconds, then kindly join us. Good job. Just walk. Good stuff. Push. And breathe. Very important. Are you okay? Pambana. Even me, I'm getting tired. I'm just pushing myself. Let's go. Time is up. Good job. Woo! How are you feeling? Good job. From there, tunaingia lunges with a bunny hop. 4 count. 1, 2. Okay? Let me start my timer. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and breathe. 2, 3, 4. Hop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Woo. Breathe. Just breathe. Just breathe. Are we fine? From there, tunaingia burpees with some uppercuts. Okay? Let's go. Start it up. Four count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good stuff. From there, doing your push-up, mountain climbers, and the taps. Are we ready? 4, 4, 4, 4. Our timer is on. Let's go. For the intermediate, wale watu wanazoea push-up sana, remember, put your knees down. Just give me 4, 2, 3, 4. 4 mountain climbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you can place your knees back down. Then give me a shoulder tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? That's for your beginners, intermediate, or any other person who's struggling to do a push-up. Alright? The rest, tuko hapa. Tuendelee. Our time is still on, don't forget. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap. Good job. Time's up. From there, our last workout, plank workout, then 4 jumps. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. When we are done, remember, get this workout on Facebook, NTV Kenya page. Download it, turn the upper shoulders, download it, and do a minimum of 4 sets. Very good, full body. You will enjoy it, and your body definitely will thank you later. Twist the neck round, don't close your eyes. Then the other side, don't close your eyes. Good. Toes hapo, angalia juu. Hold your leg. Just breathe. Good stuff. You're there. Just breathe. Good. We're here. We okay? And as we finalize our stretch, let me remind all of you that 6-pack comes from the kitchen. Okay, I've gotten so many requests on how can I finish my tummy, how can I flatten my tummy. Let's go, we're still stretching. How can I finish my tummy? Most believe if you do 1,001 sit-ups every day, the tummy itaisha. Unfortunately, that's a lie. You're only hardening your core muscles. Hakuna tunafanyia mafuta. Bado iko hapo. We breathe in, breathe out. So remember, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, out. Last one, breathe in, out. So remember, no matter what challenge you're doing, if you're not compensating your workout with your diet, unfortunately, you still have the same struggles. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.